Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today let's see how to match two or more points, anchor points of any closed path in Adobe Illustrator. I wish Adobe Illustrator had a better set of tools to deal with these anchor points. For this example, let's take a rounded rectangle and to match any 2 points, first select those, choose direct selection tool and then select any 2 points that you want to match by clicking and dragging over those points, and then right click, choose average, choose both. Okay, that will average point those 2 points, but they are not matched, so that you can confirm by selecting any one of the anchor point and dragging it. So these 2 points are not matched. To match them, after you average those 2 points which are selected, go to Pathfinder panel and choose Unite. Okay, if you don't see Pathfinder panel, you can bring up that panel from window menu. Okay, so you can confirm if those anchor points are matched or not by selecting that anchor point. You can see this is matched now. So thanks for watching.